We continue our series of reviews on Russian small arms, and today we will talk about the high-performance submachine gun SR2M. It's compact and light and is one of the best options for assault operations.
This submachine gun features a gas-operated system with a gas extraction device and a bolt loading system for the recovery. As you can read, the magazine is in right into the pistol and can be fabricated. SR2M is paired with a powerful 9x21mm cartridge. It provides high penetration capacity and can hit a live target in body armor at ranges of up to 50 meters and break a steel helmet at ranges of up to 100 meters. There are cartridges with low ricochet bullets for armor-piercing tracer bullets. It is very compact. Version of this submachine gun SR2M has Picatinny barrels to mount sights, tactical lights and other accessories, a sound suppressor and the butt allowing for shooting in a face shield. This gun delivers stable accuracy of automatic arm.
Here we have two levers. The right one is a safety switch, and the left one is a fire mode selector. It's pretty tight, so I cannot accidentally mess up with it. SR2M is unique for its reliability